Let's say a word about divisibility tests. Divisibility tests come in quite handy. A number is divisible by 2 if its last digit, the ones place, is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Such a number is an even number. Can I divide 1,234 by 2? Yes, the last digit is 4. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Not the last digit, the sum of the digits. 1,249 is not divisible by 3 because 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 9 is equal to 16, which cannot be divided by 3. On the other hand, 12,147 can be divided by 3 because 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 7 is 15, which can be divided by 3. A number is divisible by 4 if the number represented by the last 2 digits, 36, is divisible by 4. Can I divide this by 4? Yes, I'm supposed to get 309. So the number represented by the last 2 digits. A number can be divided by 5 if the last digit is either 0 or 5. 1,235 can be divided by 5. It's supposed to give you 247. A number is divisible by 6 if it's divisible by 2 and by 3 at the same time. Can I divide 1,230 by 2? Yes, the last digit is 0. Remember, 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. And the sum of the digits is 6. I can divide 6 by 3. And for 7, I don't have a good answer for 7. You can go to the internet, you can find some ways of doing it, but by the time you have finished applying the algorithm from the internet, you might just as well have divided by 7 and see if you have a remainder. A number is divisible by 8 if the number represented by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Here is a number represented by the last 3 digits, 232. If you can divide that by 8, you can divide the entire number by 8. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits can be divided by 9. If you add 1, 2, 3, that's 9, plus 9, 18. Can you divide 18 by 9? Yes. So the answer is supposed to be 141. Okay. By 10, the last digit is 0. You remember if you divide by 10, it's like moving the decimal point, which is here, one place to the left. And here, one place to the left, you get 123.0 over 1.0. A number is divisible by 11 if the sum of its even positioned digits, like 7 plus 6, which is 13, and the sum of its odd positioned digits, like 2 plus 2 plus 9, which is also 13, if the difference of these two numbers is either 0 or a multiple of 13. So 27,269 can be divided by 11. The divisibility tests are very, very important. Make sure you remember them. Make sure you remember them. It's not a joke.